Hey, I'm still alive. My lip might be a bit swollen, but I'm fine. I just wanted to make a quick little video update or vlog thingy. I've been quiet on the YouTubes for too long again, but that's hopefully about to change soon. I'm very busy in the background. I just launched a new course on Skillshare. That was in the works for a while now. It's about three composition techniques, the rule of thirds, leading lines, and the rule of odds. So go check it out. I'll throw some free links in the description below. And for the rest, I'm working on photography videos, general video content, product videos coming soon. Also some car related videos for which I had to wait on some products to arrive, also coming soon. And I still have my day job I have to work. So too many ideas, too little time, but a lot of exciting stuff to come. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Check out my new Skillshare course and have a nice day.